Hi everyone. Welcome to Level Up channel. Although there are many ways to earn passive income, dividend investing is for me the best way to do it. You only need to buy a stock and hold it to receive the dividend payment. The only effort you need to make after doing your own due diligence is open your trading account, select your stock and click buy. If you would like to write a book, it will take hours and hours of writing, checking, rewriting, rechecking. You then need it to publish it. Most of the time you need to pay some fees to select the proper format, colors and so on. Then, suppose you have it all done, you will have to pay for advertisement so that it can reach out to as many potential buyers as possible. Even after all these efforts, you are not sure your book will be successful. These endeavors apply to pretty much every product you would like to develop and sell. Many people think real estate investment is the best investment one could make. Even though I understand that renting a property provide a good income, I don't find the investment secure and profitable all the time. For most of real estate investors, they need to pay the mortgage every month. They need to pay taxes. They need to refresh the property from time to time, repair some stuff, paint, do the plumbing and so on. I am not sure that all these costs are covered by the rental income. I am not even talking about vacancy where the real estate owner can't find a tenant. With dividend investing, dividends are automatically deposited each month or every 3 months into your brokerage or bank account. With the exception of perhaps monitoring your portfolio once every few months, it's the simplest method to support yourself without lifting a finger. Even if you couldn't entirely rely on dividend income, it could mean the difference between staying in a job you detest and switching to one you enjoy. It may also give you the choice between working full-time or part-time and having the rest of your free time to spend with friends or family. Many people are convinced that dividend investing is a good way to get financial freedom but find it hard to achieve as they think they need a lot of money, maybe $2 or $3 million or more. This is mostly wrong and depends on many factors. Indeed, let's consider a desired dividend income of $40,000, which was the real median single-person income in the U.S. in 2021 according to data from the St. Louis Federal Reserve. Let's now consider what you can expect from the dividend yields your stocks offer you. Using the formula. Desired dividend income divided by dividend yield, percent, equals estimated portfolio needed. We get the following results. 2% yields require a portfolio of $2 million. 3% yields require a portfolio of $1,333,333. 4% yields require a portfolio of $1 million. 5% yields require a portfolio of $800,000. 6% yields require a portfolio of $666,666. I often share in my videos stocks with dividend yield even above 6%. As a mere example, VF Corporation has actually a dividend yield beyond 7%. If you invest $500,000 in VF stock, you would get $40,000 of dividends every year. The company fundamentals and payments records show that the dividend is secure. In addition to the dividends you get, the stock price has a good upside potential which adds up to your portfolio value. If you invest the $500,000 in a rental property, you would probably have some tenant vacancies from time to time, some works to do. You would have to wait 2 or 3 months or maybe more to sell the property if you need your money. I am not saying that the investment in VF is risk-free. Not at all. However, I find the risk very mitigated. I assume a lot of viewers of my YouTube channel don't have $500,000 in their bank accounts to buy VF stock. If your goal is to get those $40,000 a year in 10, 15 or 20 years, you have enough time to accumulate to get the $500,000. By investing only $140,000 now you would get the $500,000 in 20 years. That's the magic of the dividend compounding. Indeed, by reinvesting the dividends you get every quarter, you get free money that you reinvest to increase the amount of your portfolio. This is another aspect I love about dividend investing. Indeed, as opposed to real estate, you don't need to have a big amount of money to start earning passive income. You don't need to ask your bank for loans. Is $140,000 still too much for you? Okay. Keep in mind one thing. VF Corporation, as many of the stocks I share in my videos, increase their dividends year in and year out. For the case of VF Corporation, the dividend increase is of 4% per year in the last 5 years. So if you consider this, you will get a dividend yield of 8.52% in the year 5, a dividend yield of 10.36% in the year 10, a dividend yield of 12.61% in the year 15 and a dividend yield of 15.34% in the year 20. With these figures your initial investment would be only $126,000. Look at the beauty of this. Although many YouTubers talk about and urge their viewers to invest in stocks like Realty Income, Apple or Johnson & Johnson, I am not myself interested in these stocks. Indeed, these stocks offer a dividend yield roughly between 1% and 4%. You don't go too far with these figures. I invest in stocks I tell you about in my videos, stocks that have good fundamentals, good dividend payments records and nice dividend growth rates. Keep that in mind, nice dividend growth rates. That growth matters and matters a lot. Please make sure you make your own due diligence before investing in any stock. If you like the content, please push the like button to help grow the channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. I am trying to give you the best hints that could help you succeed your investment journey. Thank you everyone. I'll see you next time.